preparing those gifts? Think, look around. Yes, children, they are the cute little elves who help Santa preparing so many gifts for all of us. So, would you like to learn a rhyme on them? Come on, join with me. 5 little elves went out one day and hopped up into Santa's sleigh. Santa Claus said, ho, 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 and 4 little elves fell in the snow. 4 little elves went out one day and hopped up into Santa's sleigh. Santa Claus said, ho, 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 and 3 little elves fell in the snow. 3 little elves went out one day and hopped up into Santa's sleigh. Santa Claus said, ho, 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 and 2 little elves fell in the snow. 2 little elves went out one day and hopped up into Santa's sleigh. Santa Claus said, ho, 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 and 1 little elf fell in the snow. 1 little elf went out one day and hopped up into Santa's sleigh. Santa Claus said, ho, 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 and 5 little elves said, go, go, go. Santa Claus went out one day and hopped up into his big sleigh. Santa said, where did they go? And 5 little elves said, ho, ho, ho. 5 little elves went out one day, riding with Santa in his sleigh. Santa